Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin, and I want to show you right now 2 ways to make money online, and guess what? It's free. You don't need a credit card. Hell, all you need is your fingers, an iPhone, or a laptop, and you can do this. You can make money right now with Amazon, right? Let me scroll down. Let me show you something cool about Amazon, right? Listen, let me zoom in here. If you scroll down in Amazon, you can go to what is called an affiliate here. Let me find the link. Give me a second here. Where is it at? And you know what's so funny? I still do this today, even though I'm like independently wealthy online, created like $30 million online, but I still do this because it's fun and it's easy. Here we go. Affiliates. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Become an affiliate. So what you do is go to Amazon.com, okay? And click on the word that says become an affiliate, and you'll see this screen, okay? Look, and all you have to do is this. This is how easy it is. And I want you to write this down. Anything on Amazon that you probably buy from every single day, you can use and you can promote it. Now, this is what I do. A lot of people ask me, Wesley, what are your 5 best books that allowed you to be rich, right? What are your 5 best books that allowed you to live this type of life? And yes, that is a Lamborghini in my living room, but don't focus on that. Listen, so what you do is this. Let me show you. It's cool. So one of my favorite books is Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, okay? If you haven't read it yet, and if you're not rich, you probably want to get it. You see that? Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. Okay, you hit enter. See what I'm doing here? Okay, and guess what? It pops up. There it is right there. So that book, if you want to recommend it, you click here. It says get the link. That link is what you're going to use to basically share it out on your social media, Instagram, TikTok account. Does that make sense? Look, if you click text only, you see this right here? All you do is go to short link and check this out. Look at this. Let me show you how cool this is. Let me go to the screen. Hold on, give me a second. Look. Oh, where did it go? Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Hold on, let me scroll down. All right, look. Oh, I got logged out. No. Okay, let me log back in, guys. Give me a second here. Give me a second. So let me show you how cool this is. So the thing is, if I click on text only, okay, and I click on short link, and don't worry guys, I'm gonna go to the screen here. Look, you see this link right here? Like if you're broke, and guess what? It doesn't take any credit card to do this. It's a free account. If you post this link on a blog, on your social media, and say, hey guys, here is a book that was recommended from this cool black guy by the name of Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. He said it changed his life, and now he has like Lamborghinis and Rolls Royces in his garage here. Check it out. When a person clicks on that, and if they buy that book, you get paid. But let me show you the cool thing. I'm gonna show you after the video. I'm gonna show you something real cool that I use with Amazon right now. It's gonna blow your mind. But let me give you number 2, okay? This is it, number 2. Check it out. You're gonna like this so much. Look at this. Go to Fiverr.com. Type in Fiverr.com. If you're a broke college student, you have no idea what the internet industry is about, but you want to learn how to do it, but you don't want to blow a bunch of money, go to Fiverr.com. Listen, you can create a job. Like, say if you're a graphic designer, say if you're a person knows how to edit videos, right? Say if you're a person knows how to write well, you know music and audio, you know programming, business, whatever. Listen, this right here, I know people personally around the world that make $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month just by creating a profile, and it's free. And you just post a job here. Thousands, hundreds of thousands of people go here every single day because they want people like you to do things for them for $5, $10, $55, $15. Go to Fiverr.com, check it out, okay? Is that cool? And guess what? That's it. That's how you make money. I mean, that's the fastest way to make money online without a credit card. And those two websites is what I personally used when I was broke. I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? Now, let me give you the cool thing. Now, I know you like this right now. If you're feeling this information, hit the like button. Check it out. On Amazon, when you use that Amazon technique, I want you to realize this. When you go to Walmart, okay, or Target, do you buy one thing? No. You buy Skittles, you buy Starburst, you buy a Diet Coke, right? And you just came in there just to buy some AirPods. Well, Amazon is the same way. So when they click on your link, okay, if they buy anything else on Amazon while they're buying the book from you or anything else that you're promoting, you get paid in the process. I make $8,000 to $10,000 a month just by doing that. Posting links everywhere, social media, blogs, right? And it really works. So that's it. I love you guys. Hey, give me a like. Hey, if you want to know more about me, I do teach people how to make money online. I gave you free methods, but if you're ready to graduate, I can teach you and show you what I do to create internet companies. Listen, it's not for everybody, okay? What I recommend is this. Do the free methods first, then later come back to this video, look in the description, and let me teach you how I consistently do $20 to $30 million online, wearing nothing. Oh, I'm sorry guys, usually I'm wearing drawers because I don't wear clothes anymore because I'm rich. Hey guys, much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go. Later.